do you know? There's a shipwreck that forced historians to rewrite ancient history. In 1901, divers found a Roman shipwreck near Antikythera, Greece, dated to around 100 BCE. Inside the shipwreck, statues, coins, and a strange lump of bronze. Inside were precision gears. That object became known as Antikythera mechanism, a machine that could predict eclipses and planetary movement. It was essentially the world's first analog computer. Before this discovery, historians believe that technology like this didn't exist until medieval Europe. Well, the technology sank with the ship, and humanity had to reinvent it later, 1000 years later. And that is day 57 of running every day until Ironman. See you tomorrow and stay safe.